I have carried this future like it rests on my hands. Every choice, every outcome built from my own plans. I have called it devotion, but it's fear dressed as strength. And the harder I hold it, the more it slips away. I am tired of steering, tired of pretending I know where this goes. Ride on me, Jesus, take the weight from my hands. I was never meant to carry what only a king can command. Break the throne I built inside my guarded heart. If you must undo everything that's tearing me apart, ride on me. Have your way. You chose a borrowed creature, tied up and unaware. No power, no position, just present when you were there. If you could enter glory on something weak and small, then maybe you can enter this fragile soul at all. Unmake me, unshape me, undo what I have done. If surrender feels like dying, then let your will be done. I don't want safe religion, I don't want partial grace. If you are truly king, then take the highest place. Ride on me, Jesus, even if it breaks every hidden idol my stubborn heart has made. Be the king of silence, be the king of scars.